We've worked with this family for many years in different phases of this home reno and update. We started with the main floor and did probably one of my favorite kitchens I've ever done. And then we moved ourselves upstairs, and this is where we are today in the master bedroom and ensuite. What I love about this particular client, Marie and I work together the most, is that she has such personality. So I knew that this could be a really special bathroom and bedroom. So the first thing we tackled was the layout. You couldn't even get into the shower without closing the bathroom door. As soon as we moved the door to the bathroom, this allowed us to open up the bathroom to the bedroom in a much bigger way. We could make the bathroom feel part of it with these big sliding oak doors, and these are open most of the time, so really that bathroom just feels that much bigger. Of course, with the doors open, the bathroom better look pretty good. We started with the Vanity design, making it look like a custom piece of furniture. It looks like a dresser, and it really just comes down to the details of the legs. It's up off the floor, it's black, and the hardware. The hardware really makes it. One thing we did do that's maybe a little bit trendy is the glass shower window. Instead of just doing a conventional plain glass, we thought this was a great opportunity to do something cool and edgy, a little bit industrial. It looks like a big black metal window, and I think it really adds something to this bathroom. So even though it is a bit of a trend, I don't think they're going to tire of it anytime soon. I think this is a good example of what to do and what you should keep in mind when you're planning with your materials. The things that are expensive that you don't want to change anytime soon, like the marble, has to be something you're going to love a long time. Then what we did was we just brought in the personality with the carpet, with the accessories on the vanity. You could even change out the hardware on the vanity if you did tire of it. But at the end of the day, the expensive stuff isn't going to go anywhere anytime soon. The bedroom really just evolved because we had to do this bathroom. We had this big wall that the bed was going to go on, and it would have been pretty boring had it just been plain old drywall. So I thought, why don't we do some interesting paneling? We tried something different using stock moldings. We butt them all up against each other and made these square frames. I think it's a perfect combo of modern and traditional, which explains this client's taste perfectly. We get asked about this color a lot. It is the perfect blue, I have to say. It's Farrow Hague blue. It's just moody enough, and with the rest of the walls being nice and light and fresh, it doesn't feel too dramatic. The dresser you see in the room was designed custom, and it had a specific task in mind: hide the suitcase. Her husband travels a lot for work, and the suitcase was never leaving their bedroom floor. And she said, you've got to find a solution for this. You can come in, opens the drawer, it's made perfectly to fit his carry-on size suitcase, in it goes. And when he needs it, we do it all over again. It's a very tall ceiling and not a very big room, but we give this feeling of a grand room by doing these tall drapes, an oversized light fixture. This is a great one. It's also affordable. The fabric was inexpensive because we need a lot of yardage of it. And then we splurged on the pillows on the bed. I love these pillows. They really add something to this room. Because it's a big wall, we also wanted to put the lighting on it. It just gives that extra little bit of accessory, and it frees up space on the bedside tables. I love these particular wall sconces because you can move them where you need the light. She's a big reader, so they come in handy for that. And you've got to get a load of the light switches. I don't think I've ever seen anything before this project like these, but I certainly have used them again since. This is kind of my favorite type of project, the one that just doesn't feel like work. It all came together really easily. We had a lot of fun along the way. I hope this client never stops finding projects for us to do together. We just finished the backyard, which I think you're going to see, and then wait till you see the basement.